Welcome back to Micro Message. I'm Shane Robb, and I'm going to be walking you through John Maxwell's book, The 15 Invaluable Laws. So if you're ready, let's go. Law number 7 is the law of design. In order for us to maximize our growth, we have to develop strategies. When we start developing strategies, a good rule of thumb is to glance backward at where we were, where we've been, what we've done, look at the things that worked, at the things that didn't work, and then plan forward. When we start out life, it's really pretty simple, but trying to keep it that way can be very difficult. Let's take a look at a few questions that John has that'll help us keep it simple. Can the plan, can it be received personally? Can it be internalized? Can your plan be repeated easily? Can your plan be transferred strategically? Is it dependent on a specific understanding, or can it be passed on through different cultures? John says that designing your life is more important than designing your career. What? Let me explain it this way. Who you are will most accurately determine what you do. Planning should always be about who we are. Life is not a dress rehearsal. It doesn't come with an instruction manual. It doesn't even give you a chance to warm up. I remember being a kid playing the early 80s, 90s game systems, and they really did a good job explaining this, because you'd play the game, you'd work hard, and you would get no save. When you turned the power off, guess what? Everything you worked for was gone. When you turned it back on, you had to start all over. That's how life is. There's no reset. There's no redos. It is what it is, so why not plan it out the best you can? There's a saying in business that systems are the solution. Imagine making a cake for a minute. Imagine going to the pantry, grabbing a bunch of random ingredients, throwing it in a bowl, putting it in the oven, and then it happened to have a product that was edible and tastes good. How likely could you reduplicate that? Probably not very likely. But imagine going in the same pantry, getting all the ingredients, measuring it out, documenting it, and then getting a product that was good. Could you reduplicate that? Yes. Why? Because you have a system. Systems matter. What are some things that effective systems include? Consider the big picture. You must have the end result in mind when you're building an effective system. Make use of your priorities. What's the highest and best use of your time right now? What's the most important thing you need to get done? Have a good measurement of the outcome. What is measured can be repeated. Without a metric of our own system, there's no way to know if we're succeeding. Application. A good system answers the question, what now? Where can I use this? When can I use this? And who needs to know this? Promote consistency. A good system should predict the outcome reliably. This is a daily practice of doing the right things over and over again. I'm sure you've heard the quote that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a new result. Well, consistency is doing the same thing over and over again with a known expected result. Well, that wraps up law number 7, the law of design. I hope this will help you as you start to develop your plan. Can't wait for you to join me on our next video as we go over law number 8, the law of pain. I'm Shane Robb. Until next time.